Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Hydrogen peroxide decomposition is a classic redox reaction. We will find the oxidation number changes to identify the correct answer choice today. First, let us look at the reactant hydrogen peroxide. In this specific peroxide compound, hydrogen maintains its usual +1 state, while oxygen is uniquely assigned an oxidation number of -1. Next, we examine the products which are water and oxygen gas. In water, oxygen is -2, but in pure oxygen gas, the oxidation number of the element is always exactly 0. Comparing both sides, oxygen changes from -1 to 0. This confirms that option D is our correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given rules to avoid a common rush.